This is how to factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe the Motorola Droid. This is the Turbo 2. So let's get started. We're going to start by holding volume down and power at the same time. I'm going to hold volume down and power, and it's going to take about 3 seconds. And the initial, there we go, the fallen Android menu is going to come up. And we're going to use now the volume keys to scroll to look for recovery mode. Right there. Push enter with power, and we get the Motorola logo, and it's going to take a few moments for it to load, and we're waiting for the fallen Android no command, which can take anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds or about 15 seconds. And there we are. So now we're going to hold power and quick touch volume up. Hold power, quick touch volume up, and it brings in the Android recovery menu. Now from this menu, we're going to use the volume keys, and we're going to scroll to wipe data factory reset. We're going to press OK with power. We want to reset user data and personalized content. Press OK with power. And now we're going to wait just a few moments for the wiping. Data wipe is now complete. Now we can reboot the system, and that is how you factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe the Motorola Droid Turbo 2. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.
Dude, David, why do you unplug the controller and just plug it in the same port? There's two ports. Can I play with you?